Yo my people, it's M5 from PUSHSTART TV, the main urban source in helping you find out which car to skirt off in. And I'm here to announce a launch into YouTube.
Yo, M5, what you saying, bro?
Hey, Chicks, man, look at me, bro.
These ones are looking cold, bro.
Yeah, Beamerton, right? Beamerton all day, fam. Every time, man.
These women's driving another level, bro.
Nah, that's
Top of the
shit.
drive, yeah. I'm feeling slow, I swear to you, bro. Trust me.
Look who it is, bro.
That's insane.
Oh, pull up in that Merc, yeah? Yeah, what you saying, bro?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Nah, it's nice looking alright still, man. But
Like
come on,
it.
man, you stopping that, bro. You see the Beamer parade?
Nah, man. It's all about Merc.
Nah, man, well, cause you got your little AMG, you know what I'm saying?
All about AMG.
Nah, man,
Well, you
forget
don't think you got the
AMG.
ultimate sports car?
Come on, that's the ultimate driving machine, bro. You don't got the interior, but besides that, obviously it's alright, man. The driving's alright as well, but fam, that's what you need to do.
You think
Stay
so?
alive, bro.
I'll give it to you. BM
Yeah.
have got the performance.
Yeah.
But in terms of overall package, you can't beat Mercedes.
You know what? You know, alright. Forget all the talking. I think the way to settle this, let's just have a race, innit? Just see who's on top.
What are you telling me? Drag race?
Drag race, bro.
Let's race.
Say no, let's do this. Let's do that again. I up in takeoff. I up in takeoff. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. No, I up. I go. So. It was me. I up. That was me.
Okay, it's okay.
BMW, man. No.
Hey, Mike. You didn't even put it in sport. Rookie. Bruv, you didn't even put it in sport. You didn't even put it in sport. Hold on. Are you ready, yeah? Right. Now you're gonna see what I got.
Yeah, no. Hey, Matt, do be my pal.
I will. Don't worry.
This guy slowed down. No.
So as you guys can see, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe won that race, even though I do think that was due to the fact that as it was a petrol car, it had quick acceleration. So if you want to see more of these kind of races and everything car entertainment, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, PUSHSTART TV.